Hey y'all, how's it going? Today we're going to take a look at this old Craftsman drill. Since it's Throwback Thursday, we got an old Craftsman drill here. We're going to show you how to get the chuck off. See, this chuck looks a little rusty. Actually, somebody gave me this drill by way of putting in my recycle bin. You know, think of that. So anyway, I took it in. I plugged it in. It still works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the chuck. Take this rusty one off. I'm going to put this not so rusty one on. It's used, but it's not rusty. It works. And that's what I'm going to do. So first we're going to see. I'm going to open up the jaw. You can see the screw down in there. See it? Looks like it's got a pretty thin slot. So we're going to use a thin slotted screwdriver. See how thin that is? Okay. And what we're going to do is stick it in there so we can feel it. And now what we're going to do is we're not going to turn it we're loosening the screw. We're going to turn it like we're tightening the screw. So start tightening it and it'll come loose just like that. See that? So now get it back on the slot and we can unscrew it. But you're unscrewing it. This is a left-handed thread, so we're unscrewing it by tightening. At least we think we're tightening. So we're turning it right-handed. Let me get back in that screw slot. You see the way I'm turning it, right? You see I'm in the slot. See it there in the hole? Okay, now you hear that noise? Right there? That means we're done screwing it. So now we can get the screw out like that. Now you can see the screw here has a pretty thin slot. Right? Before you put that back, you might want to clean that slot out. You know, it might be getting like hammered by the drill bits and stuff, right? And it made it look like this. See how it looks all worn? But you can still get a good slotted screwdriver in there. See this one? Just fit perfect. Perfect. I got lucky on that one. So have a nice thin screwdriver ready. This is an old Stanley screwdriver. Look at that top on it. This is old, huh? Okay, now that we got the screw out, next thing is to loosen up the chuck. So what we need to do with the chuck is we're going to chuck this Allen key in there. See how I got an extra long Allen key? So I'm going to chuck that in there. Is that the right way? It should be the right way. Let me see. Yeah, I guess I was going the right way. All right. So chuck that in there like that. Right? Okay, and now it's this thread is a normal thread, so we're going to be turning it counterclockwise to loosen it. Okay? So what we're going to do is put this in here, and then we're going to give it a nice whack with a hammer, a mallet. Sometimes a mallet don't work, and then you have to use a regular hammer. Get a regular hammer out. Let's see, you got a nice hammer here somewhere. Let me try this one. Alright, I got a hammer. It doesn't matter if it's a ball peen, a regular hammer. Now what you got to do is strike this. Strike it means you're going to have to hit it fast with a glancing blow and blow through it. Right? So even like a strike, like a swift strike, that might work. Or if you have it on the edge of your bench and you swing through it, that might work. So let's just give it a whack. See that? Did you see how that popped? Make sure you keep away from this end. But right now, my chuck is loose. Remember, give it a nice swift whack. Sometimes a rubber mallet won't work. You have to use something that's going to hit it hard. Not hard, but like not that it's bouncing off like a rubber mallet does. Alright, so now we can unscrew this off. See how it's unscrewing the right way, right? Alright, see this chuck ain't too bad, it's just got really surface rust on it. But for now, I might throw that in some stuff and get the acid off it. Now let's see if this chuck fits. Alright, it's fitting. Yeah, when you tighten it back up, chuck, you don't want to make it too tight, but you do got to make it tight. So we're going to give it one whack. I'm going to give it one whack in this direction to tighten it. That should be good enough. Because remember, we got to put the screw back in. Okay, so that's tight enough. It doesn't have to be super tight. Remember, you want to be able to get it off if the chuck breaks again. Right? Now we're going to drop our screw back in. And my screwdriver. And remember, we turned this tight to loosen it, so now we're going to turn it loose to tighten it. I think I'm in there. Yep, there it goes. Tighten it. Don't over tighten it, and don't strip the threads, so that way you can get it apart again. That's it. All right. Now we got a new chuck on there. Look at that, free drill, new chuck. Not bad. If you need a new chuck, you could buy one online. Not too bad. But anyway, so my next video, I'm going to take the chuck off again, and I'm going to take the whole thing apart so we can see what it looks like. This old drill is made in the USA. Right here, made in USA, Sears Roebuck and Company. It's a 3/8 inch electric drill. Model number 315.10411. Okay, this is just a 3/8, but look this the heft on this. It's amazing. Amazing. It feels good. It's got the reverse and forward. It's got this here. I think this was I don't know if this is speed or lock. I think it's a speed control. But maybe we'll know more when we take it apart or plug it in. Oh, there's the lock. It does have a trigger lock. Yeah, I forget what this is for. I had a drill like this before. And yeah, I forget what this switch is for. Alright, anyway, maybe we'll find out in the next video. Huh? Anyway, this one's just going to be for the chuck. Then I'm going to take it apart for the next video. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a holler down there in the comments. Let us know if you have a drill like this or one like it. I hope we helped you get your chuck off. If you need to change the chuck, I'm going to leave a link down below for a new chuck for you. Remember, a 1/2-inch chuck won't fit. I do have one over here and I tried it, but yeah, it's totally different. So don't even try it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.